Are you worried about a recession? Maybe you think we're already in one because you're having a hard time putting groceries on the table, keeping your bills paid, putting gas in your tank. Hey, if you're worried about that, watch this video to the end. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and the smash like button, and let's get started. If you're worried about the recession, then let's learn affiliate marketing. There's no better time than now to get started with it, with affiliate marketing. You can learn it, and you can do it on the side, or you can turn it into a full-time business. If you're a stay-home mom and you're looking to help the family and you're trying to figure out what you can do, affiliate marketing. And you're probably asking, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is where you're promoting other people's products. They're going to give you a special link and you promote it. And the beauty of affiliate marketing, you don't have to worry about keeping up with the products. You ain't got to worry about shipping and dealing with customer service and returns. Once you put the link out there and you sell it, then you get the commission, you're done. You're moving on to the next customer because you're out of the picture. That's the beauty of it. But in order to do it, you need the right training, and you also need a mentor to help push you and guide you along the way to make sure you keep going and you're motivated. Because you're going to have people, family members, friends, once you tell them, hey, I'm doing this side hustle, I'm going to learn affiliate marketing, they're going to be like, you can't make no money on the internet. People make money, people make thousands of dollars every year, every month using affiliate marketing. Now, you may see some stuff on YouTube where people are saying, hey, I'm making $10,000, I can show you how. You can make good money on it, but you're not going to make it in the beginning. So if you see those videos, you may want to keep scrolling because they're not being completely honest. It's going to take you a little while to get it set up. Take you a little while to learn it, but that's what we're here for. I'm going to leave a link in the description. You click it, sign up, and you can learn affiliate marketing the right way. You'll get a mentor who's going to guide you along the way, show you how to do this. And we got guys who's been doing affiliate marketing for years. These guys are already multi-millionaires, but they're taking the time to show you the right way versus the wrong way, versus copy and paste, which you're not going to learn anything, versus show you how to do it so then you can make the money and run with it. Which is say, nod your head, yeah, that's good. You like that. Yeah. You want to be able to make the money. You want to be able to do it passively. You want to be able to set this stuff up in your spare time while you're still working 9 to 5, because that's how everybody starts off. Don't think you're, I'm the only guy who's ever done this. No, everybody who's done affiliate marketing and probably still doing it today. You still got some guys that are making good money, 7 figures. But they still kept their 9 to 5 job because they like it. And they're just doing this on the side. So why not? You know, you got some people that are like that. You know, that's just the way it is. But if you're making 7 figures and you still got your job, hey, if you're making 7 figures and you decide you want to quit, that's the way to do it. But anyways, let's get on back to this, because let's talk about you. Get you going with affiliate marketing. Like I said, you want to get the training. You want to get the mentor who's going to help guide you, set this stuff up, help you go along the way, motivate you. Then when all your friends and family tells you, oh, you can't do it, they're going to tell you, don't listen to them, turn them off, and let's just keep going forward. Because when you start making money and you telling them a year from now, hey, I'm quitting my job, I'm doing this full time, and you see their jaw drop down to here, that's gratification. Then you know, then you understand what I'm telling you, that just keep all the negative stuff away and keep pushing forward. Because if you're worried about the recession, if you're worried about next year being worse than this year, it's possible. who knows what's going to happen? The housing market, look what's going on with the housing market. 1 minute it's booming, interest rates goes up, boom, boom. And I mean boom, nobody can afford a house now. You know, who used to qualify 6 months ago, now it's out of the reach. So keep that in mind, because there's nothing wrong with a side hustle that turns into a full-time job. All you just remember, click the link below in the description and we can get started today. Don't let your dreams die. I said, just think about, maybe you're worried about your kids' future. Maybe you're at that point to where you want to retire, but now you can't, you know. Or maybe you're worried about sending your kids to college and you're wondering, how am I going to pay for it? How am I going to pay for all that? Keep food on the table and a roof above our head. Affiliate marketing. Just remember, there's no products to keep up with. There's no shipping and no customer service. All you need to do is drive traffic, and we're going to show you how to do all that. Drive traffic to a certain link that you get, and you can get your link from probably the places that you shop. You know, Target, Walmart, Amazon. There's tons of them. Tons of them. Plus, there's different platforms that are dedicated just for affiliate marketers. And so, if you want to be recession-proof next year, or any year, and you're serious about learning affiliate marketing the right way, click the link in the description and we can get started today. Don't hesitate. And just remember, if you don't like it, we offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. Hey, you have nothing to lose. Absolutely nothing. So, and you're going to learn a skill that you can use for your life. And if you get this business going, then maybe you can, once you get it going, and your kids or your wife or your spouse, whoever it is, then they can run it also. Just keep that in mind. So if there's anything I can do for you, and don't forget to hit the subscribe, the like, and smash that button so you get all my weekly updates. And I'll see you next week.